Hey guys, this is Bernie. Welcome to my channel where I show you guys how to do web and graphic design. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I will show you how to create this nice logo using shapes. Okay, in this video I'm using Photoshop CS6, but if you're using any other version of Photoshop, you should be able to do this. So at the end of this video, you will be able to create something like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new document. So let's go to File, New. Let's set our width to 1000, height to 1000, resolution 72, and the background white. Okay, let's go ahead and press OK. And the first thing we're going to do here is zoom in the document. So let's go ahead and press Ctrl 0, and that fits your screen. Alright, so and the next thing is bring the shape tool. Alright, right click on that and let's go ahead and select the ellipse tool, and let's go ahead and draw a perfect circle here. So press shift and drag that out about that size. Okay, and let's go ahead and change the fill to black. So there we have it, and let's go ahead and center that to the canvas. So let's go ahead and press Ctrl T, and that selects the whole document. And then let's select the select tool and center that vertically and horizontally. Okay, and then to get rid of the selection tool or the marching ends here, let's go ahead and press Ctrl D, and that removes it. Okay, so second thing we're going to do here is there are two things that we can do here. We can duplicate this, or we can just create a new circle. So let's go ahead and just create a new layer and then draw a new circle. This time we're going to draw a white circle. So let's change that from black to white. So let's make sure the fill is black. Okay, again press shift and drag that out and about that size, and same thing, Control A, and let's center that horizontally and vertically. Okay, there we have that. And the next thing we're going to do here is duplicate this layer. So you can press Ctrl J on your keyboard, or you can just right click on it and click duplicate layer. Okay, I'm just gonna do Ctrl J, and this time we're gonna go ahead and make this white. Okay, so you can double click on the thumbnail and just change that to white, or you can come here and change the fill. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of the fill and make the stroke black. Okay, so now is we're not seeing that because it's black on black. So let's change the color for this background here. I'm gonna use this color. If you guys want to use the same color, just go ahead and type in that hex code and press OK. Alright, so as you can see, we can see the black border. So what we need to do here is increase the size. So let's set that to 20 point, and there we have that. Okay. Another thing that we're going to do here is create another circle, which is the black border around this white circle. Okay, so what we're going to do here is going to duplicate this. So Control J, and this time we're going to increase the size. So let's go ahead and select that. We can bring the free transform tool by pressing Control T, and let's increase the size. So we can go, let's click on the chain here so it increases the width and height at the same time. Let's bring that to 105%. Okay, and then let's change the fill to none and change the border or the stroke to black. Okay, and let's make the 0.8. Actually, let's make that 10. Okay, as you can see, we have that circle there now. And then let's see if we're missing anything else here. Okay, actually there's another white around the... Okay, so we're gonna create another shape. So Control J, I'm gonna duplicate that one, and this time we're gonna just increase the size. So let's go ahead and press Control T, and let's increase the percentage here. Let's bring that to, I would say maybe about that, so 108%. And then we're gonna bring the stroke to, let's make that 15 point, a little bit more. Let's make sure we close that gap. So I would say maybe about 18%. Okay, and this time we're gonna make this white. So double click on the thumbnail. Oh, it's already white. So we can actually, oh yeah, so let's, yeah, I don't know why it's already white. I mean, it doesn't let me change it here, but that's fine. We can go ahead and just change that here, and let's make that white. Okay, I think that's a little bit too big, so what we could do here is decrease that. So Control T, select that chain icon and bring that down. As you can see, that's resizing it. And then the stroke, okay, so 90%, and then let's bring the stroke to 15% or even less. Let's bring that to maybe 10%. Let's do 12. Okay, 12%. And then let's see what else it's missing here. Okay, another border. So there's a white border inside the black here. So let's go ahead and duplicate this one. Control J. And then this time we're gonna bring this down. So let's go ahead and press Control T to bring the free transform tool and bring that down to about there. Okay, 95%. And then we're gonna change that to white. Change the stroke to white, and let's bring this to maybe 15%. Bring it a little bit more, maybe to 13%. Okay. Alright, so there we have it. So we have the background or the shape. Now we just gotta put the text and the icon. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the text first. This is the exciting part. So let's go ahead and put the text around this shape right here. Let's go ahead and grab the text tool. I'm using Transformers font. If you guys want to use the same font, I will add the link to this font below this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in the text. So as you can see, when you place your cursor right around the shape, it changes. So when it changes, go ahead and click on it and just start typing. So here I'm using 90 point for the size of the text, and I'm gonna be using all caps. So I'm just gonna start typing Bernie's Bike Shop. Alright, and since I was playing with this earlier, it's already set to have the spacing, the right spacing here and here. Yours may not show like that, but that's easy to fix. You can go ahead and play with this. So as you can see, mine is set to 25%. If I bring that down, it just brings it inside the circle. So just center that. I would say maybe 30. Let's do 30. Okay, so I just want to have the same spacing here and here. I think that looks good. And then here it's set that to optical, so the texts are closer, and that's it. And then here we're gonna have the other text. Okay, so let's see here, same thing here. So we're gonna go ahead and select the ellipse tool, and as we can see, that also changes. So same thing, just click there, and this time we're gonna use a different font. We're gonna use Arial, and let's do maybe 40 here. Accept that, and let's start typing. So, and since 1985, okay, as you can see, it's upside down. That's normal. So what we're gonna do here is grab the selection tool. Make sure you select the direct selection tool, and as you can see, when you place your cursor over the text, it changes. Okay, so place that over the text and just drag that up, and there you go, it's snapped into in place. But since the color it's white, we can't see the text, so we're gonna bring that out. So to fix that, we just go ahead and bring this. So we're gonna set this to negative now. Okay, see this? As you can see, now it's out. And you kind of play with that, center that, maybe around there. Let's also set that to optical. And that's it, guys. Now we have the shape and the text. The last thing that we need to do here is just place the thumbnail right there in the center. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab the shape. Now we're gonna go to custom shape, and as you can see, I already have that bike selected, but if you can't find it, it's right here next to the car. Okay, so select that and make sure the fill is black. Press shift and drag that out, center that, and there you have it. So as you guys can see, we just created this nice logo in under 12 minutes. Alright, there you guys have it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and like. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.